Hello friends, I am Shivam Yadav and welcome to my channel iTech Warrior. Friends, in this video we will understand the interface. So let's start. Let's understand point wise. First point is an interface is also an user defined data type only. And here is the syntax of interface, modifiers, interface and interface name. And this is the body, and under the interface all the members are abstract. Interface contain only abstract methods. Interface contain only abstract members. And the third point is a class can inherit from a class and in an interface at a time. Yes, we can inherit class and interface at a time. Fourth point is by default every member of an interface is abstract, so we do not require to use abstract keyword on it. All the members under the interface is abstract, so we don't require abstract keyword under the interface like abstract class. So let's understand point all the points practically. So we go to Visual Studio, and here the class program, and we write one more class. So public class, suppose we give the name base class. Base class, and inside this we declare a method public void base method, and here we write a statement console dot write line base class method. So let's define interface. uh, this is the syntax of interface: modifier, interface name, and all the members of interface are abstract. So public interface name, uh, uh, suppose we define base interface. So this is interface, and now we declare a method void interface method. So this is interface method. Sorry, all the members inside interface is by default abstract. So this is abstract method without keyword, without abstract keyword. We don't require to use abstract keyword here. So now we inherit base comma base interface, and this is the error show program does not implement interface member inter ibase interface dot interface method. So all it is the child duty to implement all the member function inside interface in child class. So here we implement this method So public void interface method. So here we print a message console dot write line. This is interface. This is interface. So save. So now we create a object program. PRO equal new dot base method and PRO dot interface method. So save and run. One more thing, console dot read line, save and run. So the output is as we expected, base class method, and this is interface. So we understand all the 4 points in practically Visual Studio. So go ahead. So for fifth point is we cannot declare any field variables under interface. So this syntax show prove this point. So we cannot declare any field. And so the sixth point is an interface inherits from another interface. Yes, let's do it. So this is first interface, and now we declare one more interface here. So this is second interface. Let's change the name, iBase interface 2. So now we inherit interface 1. Yes. So interface second inherit interface 1. So change the method name second and save. And now we give the implementation here. So copy this now and paste. So change the method name and output change. Yes. So save. Let's run. Yeah, let's write one more thing here. So call pro dot interface second. So save and run. Yeah, so the output is as we expected, base class method. This is interface, this is interface 2. So the sixth point is proof here. We can inherit one interface to second interface. So this is the sixth point. Interface can inherit another interface. So go ahead. In the seventh point, every member of an interface should be implemented under the child class. of the interface without fail. And while implementing, we don't require to use override keyword. Yes. So every member declare under the interface is implement in child class without fail. And we don't require to use override keyword here because all the member of interface is by default abstract. So we don't require to use override keyword here like abstract class. So the 7th point is, and the 8th point is multiple inheritance achieved through interface in C#. Yes, this concept will achieved by interface. So let's understand how can we achieve multiple inheritance in C# through the interface and not by classes. So go ahead. So here we understand multiple inheritance not support in C#. Why? Because of an ambiguity problem. So this is the diagram. Class A and class B inherited by class C, and both the classes have same method name and with same signature test. And class C consumes both the method test from class A and class B according to inheritance. According to inheritance, we consume both the member declared in class A and class B. But consumption is not possible. That's the reason we use interface for achieving multiple inheritance. So the consumption is not possible. That's the reason we use the interface for achieving the multiple inheritance because of ambiguity problem. So let's go another example. So here we achieve multiple inheritance by interface. So the multiple inheritance support through interface in C#. Why? Because of implementation. Here we consume both the member, and here we implement both the member in child class. So this diagram, interface A and interface B inherited by class C, and both the interface have a method test with same name and same signature. Class C implement both the test methods from the interface A and from interface B without fail. It is the duty of a child class to implement all the members declare interface under the interface without fail. So, but the implementation is possible. That's the reason we use interface for achieving multiple inheritance. Implementation is possible, but the consumption, here we consume and here we give the implementation. So the implementation is possible, but the consumption is not possible. That's the reason we cannot achieve multiple inheritance by classes. So that's the reason we use interface for achieving the multiple inheritance in C#. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more video notification.